Hello, grade 1. This is Ms. Ghada Hussein with you, and I'll explain for you now how can we make ch sound. So, ch sound is made by k sound, which is C letter, and H letter, which is h sound. So, C letter plus H, it gives us ch, ch, ch. For example, chicken, chicken, chicken. Chips, chips, chips. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Match, match, match. Children, children, children. Now, with the free reading, I will read for you just one or two sentences, and we have some ch sound in it, okay? Children eat chicken and chips for lunch. Children eat chocolate. Okay, now open your booklets, page 33. I'm gonna read with you these words and I want you to repeat after me. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Children, children, children. Match, match, match. Watch, watch, watch. Okay, I will do the first one for you, and then I want you to just pause the video and complete it by yourself, and after this just check your answers by completing the video, okay? So underline the one sound out. So we have one different sound and we will take off or we will underline the words that have this different sound, okay? So the first one, watch chicken shower. So we have here ch sound in watch and ch sound in chicken, and we have different one which is shower here because we have sh sound, so we will underline shower. Okay, so now pause the video and complete the rest. Okay, let me finish this exercise with you. Children fish match. So we have ch sound in children, yes, and we have ch sound in match, but fish is a different one because it has sh sound, so we will underline it. Watch, shark, she. So we have two words that have the same sound ch, and we have one different one sound which is ch. So we will underline it like this. And number 4, bat, man, bed. Bat and man have the same sound a, and bed have the short so we will underline bed because it is a different one. Rain, scream, tail. So rain and tail have the long a, but scream is different, it has long e, so we will underline it. Okay, now let's move to page 34. Alright, so circle the same beginning sound. So what do we mean by saying the same beginning sound? What do we mean by the beginning sound of the word? For example, here, look here. Chicken, children, match. So what is the beginning word sound here? Here, ch in chicken and ch in children, and mah in match. So it will be cha and cha. They are the two words that have the same beginning sound, okay? So let's look at the exercise. Chicken, children, match. So we will circle the same beginning sound, so we will circle chicken and children. Yes. Now I want you to pause the video and complete it by yourself. Now here we go again. So I want you to read with me this, or identify this with me. Shower, watch, and shark. So we have shower and shark have the same beginning sound, sh. Sorry for my bad handwriting. Okay. Shark, sheep, boy. So it's obvious. Yes, shark and sheep have the same beginning sound, sh. Okay, let's move to another exercise, and it's scramble and write. So we have some letters and we will write them in the right way, okay? Alright. Here. Shark. We have, how can we write shark? We write it like this. Shark. So SHARK. Okay? Now I want you to pause the video and complete this exercise. And I want you to come back to it again to see if it's right or wrong, okay? So here we have the right answers for this exercise, okay? Okay, now let's move to page 35. Circle the words with the same beginning sound as we said before, okay? Let me do the first one with you. Shark, chicken, shower, match. So we will circle shark and shower because they have the same beginning sound, sh. Okay, now pause the video and complete the exercise and then come back to it again to check your answers. Okay, number 2. Children, shark, fish, chicken. So it's obvious that children and chicken have the same beginning sound. Alright, number 3. Shark, sheep, watch, chicken. What are the two words that have the same sound, or what are the two pictures that have the same beginning sound? Yes, shark and sheep. Okay, great. Number 4. Chicken, match, children, watch. So what are the same pictures, or the same pictures with the same beginning sound? Chicken and children. Okay, super. Now with page 36, and we will read the following words. And I will read it for you, and I just want you to repeat after me, okay? Match, match, match. Watch, watch, watch. Beach, beach, beach. Each, each, each. Reach, reach, reach. Teach, teach, teach. Breach, breach, breach. Rich, rich, rich. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Children, 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 check, 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 cheek, 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 choose, 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 child, 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 China, 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 change, change, change. Okay, now it's the time for the song. You'll find the link below the video in the description, okay? So, thank you for watching and bye bye.